let's get started with the video today. Alright. So what we're going to be talking about today is one of my favorite websites for you. Literally, this is my favorite testing website. It's UserLyrics. Now I've done all the research on the best of the best testing platforms, the best of the best. And this is the one, guys, this is one of the best ones. And it's called UserLyrics. Now, a lot of people aren't talking about this website. So basically what you can do on this website is we're going to be the testers, right? So we're going to be testing out different products and services from different brands and companies. So basically, this is a testing platform that different companies can have their products tested on. That's all you basically need to know. You can go more in detail and read more of this. So basically, what you want to do is click tester sign up. It's going to take you to this page right here. So again, we're going to click on sign up and finish the sign up process. It's going to take us to this page. So we get paid debts, websites, software, apps, and all that good stuff. And basically, just by sharing our opinions, who of you wants to be heard, who feels like their voice isn't being heard? I know a lot of people feel like that, especially nowadays. They feel like they can't say anything. And anybody cares about their opinions or their side of the story. Whatever it is, this is the website for you. Companies want to hear your opinion. Not only do they want your personal opinion, but they're also paying for it. So you basically can test out these websites and apps and get paid for being completely honest about what you think of the products and services that they're offering. So this is amazing right here. Look at this. Interact with a web or mobile app or any other type of digital asset, and you speak your thoughts and emotions out loud. And as you do so, answer just a few questions. That's all you have to do to answer a few questions. Okay. User testing is fun. Remember, guys, this is fun. You know a lot of things that you do that you got to make money if you work in a 9-to-5 job. You know a lot of things you do is not really that fun. But trust me, guys, this website right here is fun and enjoyable because it makes you want to keep doing more and more tests and websites and just testing all these different platforms. Now let's get on to the money, guys, because this is the main thing, right? Get paid via PayPal. So all you need to have is a PayPal account, and look at these, guys. You get paid $5.10, $20 up to $90. Look at this, $90 per project that you do per project. Alright, and these projects are only like 5 to 10 minutes long, even less than that sometimes. So guys, I'm not joking around. If you put in this amount of work, you can make up to 90 days. This is really not a joke. This is 100% facts right here. This is completely insane. Now all you have to do is put in your email address to sign up and confirm that you're 16 and above, and then agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. And basically, you can get started now. How does this work? Okay, so I'll make it super easy for you guys. Anyone can do this. A kindergartner could do this. They give you a set of tasks and instructions that you have to do, that you just follow along. You just follow the tasks and instructions. And that's it, guys. Then you don't have to think for yourself. You don't have to create anything out of scratch, right? Like, if you're starting a business, none of that you want to have to brainstorm or anything. Basically, all you have to do is follow the set of tasks or any instructions that they give you. And you complete the set of tasks and instructions, and you get paid by doing that. Guys, this is completely insane. This is crazy talk. I can't even believe I'm even showing you this. I am so excited, guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, and all that. Like I said, guys, that's all we're going to be doing, really. And as you can see right here, you can work from anywhere in the world. You know, from the comfort of your own home. You can work on your mobile device, desktop, computer, whatever you have. And you can start doing this project right away, like right now. So by now you're asking yourself, what countries can we do these tests from? So look at this, guys, look at this. It's in Europe, North America, South Africa, right? You know, South Asia, Japan, China, and other countries around the world. And you guys look at this. We are global. This is a global provider, and look at this, we are rapidly growing. Okay, so they're always growing. And you know, they're always growing. So you know, if your country is not on the list, like I said, they're always growing and definitely going to get to you, and probably, you know, next week or next month, you'll be able to start testing as well if you couldn't right now. And all you need is a desktop computer or a mobile device and an internet connection. Right here, you can read the instructions. And what you need is very simple, guys. And all you need is a mobile device. So make sure you have one, and you can get this at the Google Play Store or the App Store. Let's look at this right here. User lyrics. Okay, here's the app right here. Let's go through the sign up process. You enter everything, create your account, and then it takes you to the app. So basically, guys, that's really it right there. Make sure you actually sign up for the website first, and then you sign up for the app after. That's very important. This has a 4.0 star rating, very good star rating, guys, as you can see right here. And I also want you to know these are their clients. They are Fortune 500 companies right here. So they're the biggest companies in the world. Okay, I want you guys to know as well that these are big companies. Their clients are literally Microsoft, Google, all of these places. Dunkin' Donuts, like these are huge companies, the biggest companies in the world. So like I said, these are products that we use every single day. So just give your honest opinion about how these products benefit you and work for you, and just give your honest opinion about it. That's very, very simple and easy to do, guys. If you make it to the end of this video, just know that you will start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Will get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel Earned Power. We upload every single day. Make sure to also subscribe, like, and comment down below before you leave. That helps us tremendously. See you tomorrow for another video.